Hey you! Let's make a Valentine's Day hot cocoa bomb. Here are some of the ingredients you will need. Melting chocolate of different colors, hot cocoa powder, marshmallows, and sprinkles. I did get my heart-shaped silicone mold from Michael's, and everything else you see in this video I just got from Walmart or Target. First, you're going to melt the chocolates and just follow the instructions on the bag. And make sure that it is pretty melted. You don't want a lot of chunks, but if you see a little bit like this, you can just kind of stir it out. And you're going to generously fill the silicone mold and make sure you really cover the edges. I ended up making mine just a tiny bit too thin, but either way, you just want to make sure it's pretty full and covered. After you have the silicone molds filled, you will chill it in your refrigerator for 1 hour. And when they are all done being chilled, you want to very gently remove them from the silicone mold. As you can see, I struggled a bit here, but it's okay, it ended up working later on. One half you're going to fill with the cocoa powder, the sprinkles, the marshmallows, and you will take the other end and melt it on a skillet and then glue it together, I guess that way. You know what I mean by glue it. And mine is a little off, but it's okay, I made it work. And the colored chocolate melts that I got weren't that great, so I just kind of improvised here, it's whatever. So generally you would just drizzle it, but I did my best and then put some sprinkles on top. And this is what the hot cocoa bomb looks like. And then you will heat up some milk or water, whatever you want to do, but I prefer milk. And pour that into your mug and drop the bomb in the mug. It may need a little help breaking apart, but that's okay, just take your spoon because you are going to mix it after it has broken apart. And there you go. I hope you enjoy it. If you have the chance, I do have other social media accounts like a TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and I'm on Clubhouse. So be sure to check me out on any of those platforms as well. Have a blessed and beautiful day.